Chic family. How are you today? It's so good to be with you again. All right, so I had a few people on my Instagram ask me about, well, I don't have it here with me, but I'll show you later, about a heart that I had in the background of one of my videos. So today we're going to work on two different types, but kind of the same kind of heart. So all you're gonna need is one of those wire hangers that you get from the cleaners, the dry cleaner. I used some of the cheesecloth. I love this, especially for Mountain Chic. Oh my goodness, I love it. And I'm almost out, so I need to get some more. And then I found this wonderful fabric. It's very thin, almost like pillowcase, at Walmart. You know how they'll have them all folded up, and you can kind of get them for pretty cheap, but it has like all this writing on it. Super cute. So we're gonna be using that, and we're just gonna cut them into strips. These are about 8 inches, and we're gonna make a really cute heart. So let's get to crafting.
As you can see, on one of the wreaths, the blue and white one, I left the hanging part of the hanger down, and I ended up just using some wire cutters and cutting it off. But in the rag wreath with the more neutral colors, I actually used that. So I left it up at the top, and it was awesome because I could twist it if I wanted to hang it over a chair, or I could, just kind of move it around, manipulate it to hang wherever I wanted. So if you'll notice, there is 2 different ways of bending the wire. Okay, and you may already know this, but there's 2 different ways in this particular project that I tied the fabric or the ribbon, whatever you're using. So if you tie it with the loop that I show in the beginning, then all of your little tails are going to go one direction. So my blue and white wreath, they're all going one direction. But if you tie it just like a simple little knot, then they're going both directions, inside the heart and outside the heart. So it's just personal preference of which you like the best. Okay, so I decided to cut the tails that are the inside of the heart on this rag wreath with the natural colors. So tell me which one you like the best, because they're really both very cute, but I decided, like I said, to cut the center to make it look more like a heart. This one is the heart that the center has been cut out a little bit, so it's not quite as messy. I'm not sure if I like it better or not. Well, that's the end of another very quick video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.